Hey, this is Mardigan, and today we're going to be making the daiquiri, a classic daiquiri, not that frozen stuff that a lot of people are used to these days. So to start things off, we're going to be using plantation rum. This is a kind of a Barbados rum. It's aged 5 years, and we're going to do 2 ounces in our shaker tin right here. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. You want to make sure you get the proportions of this completely correct. So let's throw that in there and measure it out. So we want 1 ounce. All right, so that gives us about a ½ ounce right there. And then we're going to do this other half. Should give us a full ounce. And again, you want to roll all of your limes and everything beforehand, and it gets the juices flowing. So that's going to be 1 ounce right there. Then we're going to do Demerara syrup. Okay, you don't want to do regular simple syrup. This is a much richer, more robust, thicker. And we're going to do about 3/4 an ounce of Demerara syrup. There we go. And we let that sit there for a second as we put the ice into our tin. And we're going to shake that out. You want to shake until you get a nice frost on the side of it. Loosen those up. Now this is a drink that Ernest Hemingway absolutely loved, the daiquiri, and it was actually from Cuba, is where it was created in the early 1900s, I believe. So we're going to double strain this with no ice. That is the daiquiri. Cheers. Oh. All right, now that is a really nice, refreshing, sour drink, but that Demerara sugar syrup really gives it a real buzz, like a bigger taste, right? A bigger texture, syrupy texture to it. And then this plantation rum, Barbados rum, in my opinion, is always the best rum. So get you some good rum, some Demerara syrup, and some fresh lime juice, and you'll make an excellent daiquiri. Cheers.